Generative AI. It's a game changer in the tech world, creating new content like text, images, and even music. But what exactly is generative AI, and how is it transforming industries? Let's break it down. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence designed to create content. Unlike traditional AI, which follows fixed rules to analyze data, generative AI models learn complex patterns, using massive datasets to generate human-like responses, artwork, music, and more. At the core of generative AI are neural networks, specifically large language models and transformers like GPT, BERT, and DALL-E. These models process vast amounts of data, using deep learning to find patterns and relationships in text, images, or sounds. Generative AI is everywhere. From writing articles and creating art, to generating music and assisting in medical research, the applications are endless. Imagine a marketing tool that writes your ad copy or an AI that creates a unique song tailored to your mood. For creators, AI tools like ChatGPT can generate text content in seconds, assisting writers, marketers, and even developers. Visual artists are using AI tools like DALL-E and Midjourney to bring ideas to life, creating digital art that's unique and instantly shareable. But there are also challenges. Generative AI can create deepfakes, spread misinformation, and even raise privacy concerns. There's also the question of copyright. Who really owns AI-generated content when it's based on millions of data sources? Despite the challenges, the future of generative AI looks promising. As technology improves, we're likely to see AI that's more ethical, personalized, and accessible. Imagine a world where AI becomes your creative partner, helping you brainstorm, create, and personalize content like never before. Generative AI is changing the way we create and experience the digital world. Where will it go next? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, we're just getting started. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.